Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax. I am on board a brand new boat that we just got in. It's a 2025 Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf Edition. Starting back here on the swim platform, we do have a really nice spacious swim platform with a flip down swim step. So this will actually go down and sit beneath the water a couple feet, making boarding on and off the boat much easier than your typical ladder. Moving forward into the boat here, we do have a really nice sunbed here, as well as a storage compartment and battery switch location under this compartment right here. Another really cool feature of the SDX 250 on this particular model, we do have it optioned with a stern sprayer. So if you guys are out in the cove on the beach for the day and you don't want to track any sandy feet in the boat, flip this on, wash off those sandy feet, and you're not tracking any sand in the boat. Moving forward into the cockpit of the SDX 250 Surf, we have a really nice entertaining area here, nice L-shaped seating, as well as flip forward and aft captain's and co-captain's chairs. So when you're getting to the cove, this is the configuration that the boat's going to be set up in. But when you're at anchor and you want to really enhance your entertainment space, your bolsters will flip forward on port and starboard, really enhancing your entertainment area. The unique feature about the SDX 250, the Surf Edition, is it's the same hull as the SDX 250. The big differences are going to be the trim tabs that are added for the surf system, as well as the subfloor ballast system that will fill up with water, weigh the boat down, creating that nice surf wave. Moving forward into our helm station here, we have dual Simrad multifunction displays. So this is going to have all of your Mercury displays, all your Fusion audio systems, all of your accent lighting, anything from an electrical systems perspective on the boat is going to be here at your helm station. Really nice digital throttle with this boat. And another thing, back to the stern of the boat, one thing I forgot to mention is the Bravo 3 drive that Mercury is very well known for. On this particular boat, what they did was they flipped that drive in reverse. So that puts the prop of the boat another 2 feet forward, making it a really safe surf boat, so you don't have to worry about getting nicked by that prop or anything like that. So under here, you are going to have a huge storage compartment. So for all your fenders and your dock lines and your floaties, anything you guys are wanting to bring out on the lake with you guys, you can stow in here. Huge compartment, will hold all your goodies. Here is going to be the control panel for your Fusion audio system, as well as some more storage throughout. And then up here in the bow, really nice spacious bow area. As you can tell on the SDX 250 Surf, this is one of our new additions. So one thing that they changed is instead of a sender walkthrough, they actually offsetted the walkthrough off to the port side. So it gives you a really nice and spacious bow area, gives you a lot more space, a lot more seating, so you can fit all your friends and family. The SDX 250 is going to be a great boat for you and your family. I'd love to tell you more about it. If you'd like to learn more, visit us on our website at MarineMax.com or visit us here at Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.